Hi guys, my name is Vlad. Today we'll be working on the iPhone 7 that is completely dead. So this phone is supposed to have zero intake. So let's connect that to the amp meter and check is it that so, and if you see any different reaction to the cable. So yes, this phone is not taking anything. So let's take board out of the phone and see how does that look. Let me quickly show you how the plate that was holding the battery and the LCD connector looked like. Yeah, I don't know who put it there, but it was under a tension like that with the screws and completely bent it. Yeah, I don't know who did that, but hopefully we don't have any long screw damages there. Let's see under the microscope first before we connect the power. So what I want to see in this hole, because it looked like it was tension screwed there. That looks fine. So hopefully we don't have anything. Rest of the board looks clean as well. No water damage. Stickers are white. Back is also okay. Kind of a water damage marks under the nut, over the nut, sorry. Maybe a little bit around the Wi-Fi, but nothing else. Okay. Let's connect phone to the power supply and see what usage it's taking. So I'm powering on the power supply now, and the phone does not take anything. Okay, let's try to press the power button, and after pressing the power button, phone straight away takes 1 amp and 500 milliamps, so 1.5 amps. So something is definitely short circuited. So let me take my thermal camera. Let's connect the power cable. Okay, let's start from that side. Have to turn that on first. Okay. Let's power the phone on and see what area we are heating up. And looks like we are heating up in the nut area there. Let's see if I can make it more obvious. Up. It looks like to be cup in that area. And again, up, exactly one spot. So let's see if we can see that under a microscope. So it looked like to be this cup. You probably can't see very good. Let me put a little bit brighter. Up, like that. So it looked as this cup. So we will pour some alcohol there on this area and see if that's it. Yeah. So not this one, but looks to be this one. Let's remove that cap. I just will remove that cap without any heat or any replacement. Cap is out. Let's do again. Press the power button, and after pressing the power button we have a boot now. Yeah, that's definitely a boot. Okay, let's connect the screen and check if we actually have a boot. Okay, let's press the power button. And see if the phone comes on. Yeah, we have Apple logo. It's taking a very long time. So maybe there is some other problem. The current intake is 100 milliamps. It's probably supposed to be a little bit higher. Very long boot time. So let's plug in phone to the housing and see if we get any different. Let's plug in phone to the cable and see what amps we are taking. Phone is taking 230 and 900 milliamps. That means the phone started to charge battery. We as well have a battery logo here. It's harder to see, but there is a battery logo. So let's leave that phone for a while and see if it will boot. So we have Apple logo here, and phone sits on the 900 milliamps. We have no tactile feedback. Phone doesn't look to be coming on. It looks like it's stuck on the Apple logo, or it just rebooted. Yes, the phone came on. It still retains user data. We have Touch ID unable to activate. That's very bad thing, but I hope it's just a screen. I hope it's not the actual Touch ID unit. Screen looks original. There is a crack, but anyhow, yeah. Let's. It actually might boot that long because it does not see the button, and the phone is like on iOS 11. That's used to happen before when it was audio IC issue on the iOS 11. It was very long booting. Yeah, iOS 13 and 12 fixed that issue. Yeah, but anyhow, we have tactile feedback from the mute switch. Touch works, screen works, button works. So let's try to restore the phone and see if our Touch ID issue is fixable. So let's restore the phone. So the phone come on. It has IMEI number, and we don't have power button. Okay, not power button, home button. Let's turn the phone off, and I will be connecting the new screen, and we will see if that sorts out the issue with the button. Yeah, just before I go, I will check the connector there. Oh yeah, flex, I mean. Yeah, it's probably will be hard to show, but here we go. Okay, let's show you under the microscope cam. Here is our screen flex, and the upper is the screen flex, this one. Yeah, and the bottom is the button flex. So we see how that's completely gone. That's a very good sign, as I will just replace a screen and we'll see if that sorts out our button issue. Let's connect the new screen and check out how the phone looks. I mean all other functions like batteries, cameras and things like that. We're getting about normal charging current, like 1 amp. It's usually means that battery is not really in great shape, but it's okay. We'll see how big of a percentage it is. Yeah, so button works. That's very good sign. Let's see if the fingerprint works, because this is the most valuable thing in this phone. We have Wi-Fi, that's good. Looks like to be correct password. Let's wait till the phone activates itself. The phone activated. Let's see. Yeah, fingerprint works. That's excellent. So let's set up that later. Let's continue with the setup. We're just skipping everything. Phone is activated. Let's see if the camera works. Yeah, camera works. Let's see front camera. Front camera works as well. Let's see the proximity and audio. Audio works. Proximity works as well. Let's see microphone. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, microphone works. Yeah, let's see the storage and the battery. This phone is 128 gigabytes. If you can see that better here. And the battery condition is 86%. Yeah, that's why it's charging only on the 1 amp range there and not like 1.5, 1.6. But that's okay. Yeah, this phone's supposed to be unlocked as well. Yeah, so all the function works, sounds, everything. High memory phone as well. So I will end up this repair here, as I left only the positioning the motherboard back and screwing that in. So hope you like this video and see you in the next one.